Today we're showing you a 2020 Kubota LX3310 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA535 quick attach front loader. Also has the Kubota 72-inch belly mower that goes right with the machine as well. Tractor has just under 500 hours on it. It's a very nice, very clean tractor. It does come with a balance of the factory warranty as well. The bucket does have the skid steer stock hook up here for your bucket quick attach. Bucket's in nice shape. The LA535 loader is also quick attach, so the loader and bucket are both quick attach. It does have the 72-inch belly mower that can also be removed easily, so you can easily remove that if you'd like to. Tires are in nice shape, has the R4 tires, has a hydrostat transmission, 3-point hitch with rear PTO, drawbar and top link are both with the tractor. There's a toolbox back here, foldable rollover bar. It's a very nice, clean tractor, and again, does come with the balance of the factory Kubota warranty. Scratches here on top of the hood, very minor. Free range hydrostatic transmission. Your PTO selector levers and engagement levers are here to the left as well. And then your four-wheel drive, 3-point, and loader control are all located to the right. Has the treadle pedal for your forward reverse on your hydro, and then has a cruise control lock there, and also your park brake there as well. Has tilt steering wheel, and looks like the warranty runs into July of 2026, so quite a bit of warranty left on the tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.